What other things can you do with the document once it's displayed? With MetaStor, you can scan pages directly in to a filing cabinet or append pages to an existing filing cabinet. If you have a desktop scanner, you could scan directly from that scanner into the document, or if you have a multifunction device, you could walk up to it, scan some pages, email it to yourself, and then attach those files directly into the repository. We call that browsing in. We also have the ability to email pages. So as a user, I can email pages to partners or customers. We even have the ability, instead of emailing an attachment, which may be insecure based on the kind of document we're trying to share, we can send a link as an alternative. That link will drive the user to a web page where they have to log in. So we can make sure that only authorized users are accessing documents in the system. We also have the ability to export pages. So we can actually export this to a PDF for sharing through some other means outside of email. And then finally, although we don't promote this feature a lot, you can print out of the system. We find that customers who adopt our technology experience a significant savings and reduction in the amount of paper that they consume, and that also helps reduce the amount of wear and tear on printers, and really can make an impact on the customer's bottom line just by getting the information into an electronic format in a searchable repository. So in addition to manipulating a document within a filing cabinet, users have the ability to search other portions of the system. For example, I could search a different application if I'm authorized to do so. Using any of these fields, I could key in either a vendor number or a name in the accounts payable space. Maybe I have a PO number that I want to search by. I can search by various document types. Each one of these fields has some features. For example, a date field allows me to choose from a calendar control. I can build expressions or range searches for integer fields. I can also search by a list. If I have a list of things I want to find, I can simply add multiple index values to a single list box, and that'll allow me to search and pull back documents for several different data points. If I don't specify any search criteria, the system will actually pull back everything that's in the system, and this will produce quite a large search. We call this a result set, and I can actually navigate the result set using this button down here at the bottom. I actually have 45 results, so the first 25 are displayed here. I can get to the next 25 by manipulating this button down at the bottom. These fields, like Excel, are clickable. You can click on this and sort. For example, I just changed the sort order by scan date. I can change that from ascending to descending. And I can actually save this out to a CSV file if I like. I can export it right here and export all the selected indexes. I can do a bulk print from the result set. I can email multiple documents, these two that I have checked. I can delete them if I have privileges. And again, I'll mention that we audit every single activity. So if you have the delete privilege and you perform a deletion, we would audit what you deleted, who you are, and when you deleted it. So those are a few of the features that you can perform within the MetaStor repository.